Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install the OpenGDK by running the next command. The next step is just to install Kotlin using snap. Now the best way to know if Kotlin is properly installed is to test it. To achieve this, create a kt file. Then inside it add some simple code like a hello world. Save the changes and close the editor. Now let's compile it. Finally run it by next command. So everything is good. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.